The brand new Midpoint Chevy Buick GMC, the value leader.
Presenting the 2015 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. It's powered by a 6-liter, 8-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. The features include tow package, front tow hooks, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, stability control, front ventilated disc brakes, daytime running lights, anti-lock brakes, hill start assist. Inside you'll find Bluetooth connectivity, an auxiliary input, steering wheel controls, curtain head airbags, front airbags, side airbags, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, iPod integration, cruise control, a trip computer. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.
Better than brand new, it's grand new. It's the grand new opening of Midpoint Chevy Buick GMC 220 South, right before the Rocky Mount exit. Same great people that you've known and trusted for over 20 years.